Hello and welcome to Process Execution by trustkey. Trustkey is an innovative process execution platform designed to empower organizations to streamline their workflows, standardize and automate repetitive tasks, and optimize business processes for maximum efficiency, quality, and compliance. This tutorial will guide you through how to use the journal view automation to automate the analytics of journal entries. Let's dive in and use case and discover the power of trustkey together. Welcome to Engineera's latest venture. The Green Rocket, Engineera's planned groundbreaking new innovation. As Engineera takes flight into uncharted territories, it's crucial to ensure every aspect of the journey is planned, and that's where Emma steps in. Meet Emma, a key member of Engineera's team tasked with gathering essential data from various departments to provide Christian, her boss, with a comprehensive overview of the anticipated costs for the Green Rocket project. Emma embarks on a journey through the departments involved to collect the data. However, navigating the complexities of disparate sources proves challenging, leaving her frustrated and seeking a more efficient solution. That's where trustkey steps in. Trustkey simplifies the structuring, connection, and automation of data. To support Emma in simplifying her task, we begin by creating two action-pack templates, one for the overall planning of the project cost and one for the work packages of the project. The overall planning action pack will encompass the entire project, while the work package action pack will detail the costs for individual work packages. To group the costs, set up a resource group for cost categories. In this example, a resource group for cost categories is already set up, including a calculator for planned actions. Now we connect the action packs and the resource group. In the work package action pack, add a resource lookup to the cost categories. Select the previously set up resource group for cost categories and allow the use of the planned actions calculator to register cost entries. In the overall project order cost planning action pack, add an action pack lookup to the work packages to link them together. Choose the template for work packages. Activate Show Journal Analytics to make the journal automation available. That's all we have to do. By following these steps, the project order cost planning will be connected with the work packages and the cost categories. In the work packages, costs can be planned per work package, and with the overall journal view automation, the overall costs per project can be obtained with just one click. In this tutorial, we've learned how to connect action packs and resource groups. We learned how to automate calculations with journal analytics. Most importantly, we've discovered how these functionalities can help save time and enhance usage of data. The project cost use case provided was just one example of how these functionalities can be applied. However, it's essential to recognize that these tools can be incredibly versatile and useful for automating various expense tracking processes, sales monitoring, or any other value tracking needs within a project or organization. We've reached the end of this tutorial. Be sure to explore our social media channels and visit our playbook on trustkey.eu for further insights into trustkey and automated process execution. Enjoy the process, and I'll see you next time.